Hi folks, in this video we will see a super satisfying, tasty, refreshing drink that helps you to lose weight faster, keeps you full, energetic, provides hydration, improves skin and hair health along with several other benefits. This is very helpful in summer, but you can also consume this in any season. Basil seeds, also called as sweet basil seeds, Tukmaria and sabja seeds, are used from ancient times in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. They are nutrient-dense, magical seeds packed with fiber and amino acids, essential vitamins and minerals that provide various health and beauty benefits. Let's see how to use them to make a refreshing drink. Take a saucepan like this and add 3 cups of water. Now we need cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are full of antioxidants that can prevent diabetes, lower cholesterol and help in weight loss. Now to the saucepan, add 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Boil the water on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Once it starts to rolling boil, switch off the stove. Wait for it to cool down. Once it comes to room temperature, filter out the cumin seeds so that you are only left with cumin water. Now to this, add 3 to 4 teaspoons of basil seeds. I am adding just 3 teaspoons here. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the basil seeds expand and become fully swollen. At this time, it is ready to consume. In small pots or cups like this, add a quarter teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. You can also use regular salt. Add a tablespoon of stevia or monk fruit powder. I am adding stevia. This adds a sweet taste to our drink. If you are not looking for weight loss, you can also use sugar, but I recommend using stevia instead of sugar. Squeeze in 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime juice. Lime juice with salt and sugar rehydrates your body, restores minerals and improves digestion. Pour the basil seeds water into this. You can add some ice if you like to. Optionally garnish with mint. Enjoy this refreshing basil seeds drink for weight loss and hydration during summer. It is very nutritious and keeps you energetic. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.